We are red-headed woodpeckers. People who care about birds normally love us since we are quite beautiful in our black, white, and red markings. Unfortunately, bird lovers are too few in number to protect us. We have become a threatened species throughout eastern North America. People cut down trees with insects that feed us, saying they are dead, dying, or ugly. We used to live in St. Catherine's, Malcolmson Park, but vanished after the city cut down dead trees called snags there. In Burlington, there is a red-headed woodpecker subdivision, which marks like tombstone to the vanished forest where we used to live. Although we help save trees from terrible pests such as the emerald ash borer, many make fun of us by saying there are too few of us remaining to do the job. One of our last refuges in Ontario is in a few old growth forests in Fort Erie. One of these is along Lake Erie at Waverly Beach. This is a historic place where a human rights group, the NAACP, was formed over a century ago. The developer wants to extend Lakeshore Road to our old growth forest home with snags and ancient oaks, maples, and walnuts. The road just seems to allow motorists to go to a coffee shop. Please help save our home from being a pathway to a donut diner.